In this lesson, we're going to learn some guidelines for the and het. In the first lesson, we're going to talk about the rules for the, followed by rules for het, and then examples. Here are the rules for the. The is used for feminine or masculine nouns. For example, the man, the vrouw. It's also used for people and professions, like the jongen, the leraar. It's also used for most adult domestic animals. For example, the hond, the cat. It's also used for groups or families, like the regering, the Janssens, and all plurals. For example, the boeken, the kinderen. It's also used for rivers, oceans, islands, and seas, like the Rhine, the Noordzee, and also used for letters and numbers, like the A, the 5. And it's also used when referring to a region or side of the world. For example, the Nord, the South. Lastly, the is also used for words ending in K, R, hide, and E. For example, the opleiding, the handelaar, the bakker, the vrijheid, the studie. Rules for het. Het is used for neuter nouns, like het house, het kind. It's also used for diminutives ending in je, je, and etje, like het meisje, het autootje. It's also used for young people and animals, young animals. Het kalf, het lam. It's also used for languages. Het Engels, het Nederlands. For metals, het silver, het goud. Het is also used for sports, like het football, het tennis. It's also used for abstract ideas that don't end in E and K, hide, and E. Example, het probleem, het geluk. It's also used for infinitive verbs used as nouns. Het eten, het zwemmen. It's also used for two-syllable words starting with b, g, ver, on. For example, het begin, het gebouw, het vertrek. It's also used for words ending in isme, men, and cel, like het toerisme, het moment. It's also used for Latin words ending in om. For example, het centrum, het museum. And it's also used for lakes, like het IJsselmeer. Lastly, it's used when referring to direction itself, like het zuiden, het oosten. Let's put what we learned into practice. Skilder. It ends with Thus we use the. Idee. Idee is an abstract noun, so we use what? Of course, we use het. Bloemen. Bloemen is a plural noun. All plural, we use the. Elf is a number, thus we use the. Ervaring, it ends with E and K. All E and K use the. Kauken, young animal, it's something cute, so you use het. Capitalisme, it ends with isme. We use what? Het. Pard. Pard is an adult animal, so we use what? The. Stoeltje. Het stoeltje. Why? Because it ends in tje. Politie. The politie, because it ends in E. France. It's a language, thus we use het. Now it's your turn for Fitzen.